cards I want to explain. So cards actually came from Bootstrap 5. So what we need to do, suppose if you want to declare a cards, you need to declare a card class. I will go to the Sublime and I will open. This is what I have. Let me write everything inside the container only. Inside the container, I will write div class. What's the class name? Card. So when it comes to card, this card is having three things: card header, card body, card footer. So if you don't know, you can go to the documentation also. You can go to the documentation, get bootstrap.com. You go to the docs and you can type what here cards. So when it comes to cards, so it is telling like, first we need to take what here card. So similarly, we have what here? We have a header also. It is telling about body only. Card header is not given. Card body only. Yes. What you can find here? Card header. So there is a card header is available. So inside the card, I will say div class. I'm telling what here card header. This is card header. Similarly, we have what here card body. And then we have a what here card footer. So this is what we have. So header means what I want to do. Let me say what here heading. I'm giving something like what here heading. Footer I'm giving what here. Let's say footing, heading, footing. And body means let me say what here body. Save this. Now you can see this open in a browser. You can see this heading, body, footing. Understand my point? So it comes like this. Okay, sir, I got an idea how it looks like this. It is looking. Even one more thing we can do. Suppose if you are not happy with this example. So let me go to the second example, example 2. Here, we can take for body only. I'm not mentioning directly body. I will take div class, card title. Yes, I can mention the title. Tell me what is my title. For example, I'm telling this is for Bootstrap. And then I will say what here? One more div class. Here I'm telling what here? Card text. Title, then what? Text. What is the text? Bootstrap is a CSS framework. And now you can see this, refresh. This is known as title. This is known as what? Text. Your wish. If you want to take, you can take, sir. It's not compulsory. You can use. So like this, we are working with what here card. So I will give you another example. How we can use this card to design the images. For designing the images, we need to use. For example, I will go here. For this card, I'm taking only body. I'm taking only bodies. I'm not taking any what here header. I'm not taking footer. I took only what? Body. So in the body, what I will do, I will take one image. Image src. What's the name of the image? Images / rock.jpg. I'm giving what here? Something called class. Class, I want to make it width as 75%, height as 75%. And now you can see this refresh. What is looking? It's coming very big. So that's the reason I will make it what here? 25. and I want to make it very small. So I will make it 50. Make it 50. Refresh. Understood my point? But it's taking total how much percent? 100% width. Body is taking what here? 100% width. So here I am taking what here? 100%. Here also 100%. Now you can see this refresh. Now it's coming at this one. Okay, 100% it is. So now what we can do, we below, I can say what here? Diff class, or I can say, let's say H1 also. I can take anything. H3 I'm taking. Card, what I'm taking? Title. Here I'm telling Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne Johnson. See this? Refresh. What came? Dwayne Johnson came. So that's why I'm taking what here? H1. H1 means what? Big. Refresh. What came here? Dwayne Johnson. I want to bring from the top. I want what here? 5 pixel. Refresh. 5 pixel. It should come in the center. Text to what here? Center. Refresh. So like this, we can draw the what here? Dwayne Johnson, whatever you want. But only the thing is you need to understand how to take what here image. Then after that, we can take what? Title. We can take text also, text. H2, he is a Hollywood actor. He is a Hollywood actor. So see this, refresh. It's coming like this. Bring it in the center. Class. Text to what I did? Center. Refresh. So now you scroll down and you can see below. Dwayne Johnson. And he is a what? Hollywood actor, like this. Understood my point here now? So your means, sir, card means we can take any card, any shape we can take, we can use. I hope you people understood how to work with what here? Bootstrap cards.